Hey there, BBQ lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something mouth-watering for you, sticky BBQ beef ribs that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 pounds of beef ribs, salt and black pepper to taste, and our flavor-packed dry rub. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. Then for that signature sticky glaze, grab a cup of BBQ sauce, homemade or store-bought, whichever you fancy. 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Alright, step 1, prep those ribs. Remove the membrane from the back. This step is crucial for maximum flavor and tenderness. Pat the ribs dry with paper towels. Now, rub those babies generously with your salt, pepper, and the spice mix. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes, or if you've got the time, overnight in the fridge. Next, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, wrap your seasoned ribs tightly in aluminum foil and place them on a baking tray. Into the oven they go for 2.5 to 3 hours, until they're tender and the meat starts to pull away from the bone. Patience is key here, folks. While those ribs are baking, let's whip up our sticky BBQ glaze. In a small saucepan, combine your BBQ sauce, honey, apple cider vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. Let it simmer over low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This is where the magic happens, that rich, tangy, sweet goodness. Once your ribs are done baking, it's time for the sticky finish. Preheat your grill or broiler. Carefully unwrap the foil, watch out for the steam. Brush the ribs generously with the BBQ glaze. Grill or broil them for 5 to 7 minutes, turning and basting with more glaze, until they're caramelized and sticky. Oh, the smell is heavenly. Finally, let your ribs rest for about 5 minutes before slicing. Serve them up with extra BBQ sauce on the side, and your favorite sides like coleslaw or cornbread. There you have it, sticky BBQ beef ribs that are tender, flavorful, and oh so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty BBQ tips and recipes. Happy grilling, everyone!